The Jeep Recon is the first and only trail-rated electric vehicle. So it is meant for capability off-road, but also offers the open-air freedom that you come to know and love from Jeep, with the only electric vehicle with removable doors, quarter window glass, and tailgate glass. And it has the Sky Power One Touch as an available option, which is class exclusive. The Recon is a great complement to the Wrangler, as the Recon offers a little bit more luxury as well as some technology like our Level 2 ADAS system. Additionally, it offers an alternate propulsion system, being a fully electric vehicle, but also offering the capability to a different extent.
The Jeep Recon is a true Jeep SUV with capability rooted in its DNA. So the Jeep Recon Moab is driven by two 250 kilowatt EDMs, electric drive motors. It delivers 650 horsepower, 620 foot-pounds of torque, 230 miles of range, and a blistering 0 to 60 time of 3.6 seconds. The doors and rear windows pop off without tools within minutes, giving you that true open-air feeling. The Jeep Recon is equipped with 33-inch off-road tires, a rear locker, off-road front suspension, and select speed control, which regulates speed over tough terrain. It's also got integrated off-road cameras, front and rear tow recovery hooks, high-strength steel underbody skid plates, and it's also got an available rock rail.
What if we made another Jeep vehicle besides the Wrangler that the doors came off? And so that immediately started to describe kind of the vibe and the shapes that we were gonna go after. I think you can ask a 2-year-old, a 3-year-old, you can ask an adult. When they see that boxy square profile, they know from a quarter mile away that that's a Jeep vehicle. So this one right away had to have that boxy silhouette. This vehicle in particular has 33-inch tires, which for the segment are gigantic. So those trapezoidal wheel openings really help those tires to live at home on this vehicle. We talk about how the shape of the vehicle leads to capability, and this one turns out when you're off-road you want to be able to see. So we actually lowered the belt line, which is opposite of our usual design direction, as low as we could possibly get it before you'd have glass sticking up when the windows rolled all the way down. So I think kind of a simple silhouette, room for huge wheels and tires, and tons of visibility is what we were looking for on this one. The Jeep Recon, like the Wrangler, there's going to be tons of colors available. And this vehicle, just because of the kind of the utility, boxy, capable look of it, it can wear any color. What we've done is created a black mask that goes cross car. And inside of that mask, of course, is our 7 slots. This time features light up 7 slots that we haven't done this directly before. And then each of the headlights have this kind of U shape, which I think if you know the Wrangler, you know it's 2 circles and 7 slots. This one, I find the U shapes, they're not circles, but they're kind of a brother to that shape family.
We have a long storied history in developing, off-road capable vehicles, and we really wanted an interior to match that. So it gets back to being function first, really making sure that everything the customer wanted to do with this vehicle, you can feel you can do it. It's got interior materials that are durable, easy to clean, almost scratch resistance in that sense. Easy to function areas of storage, like our 2-tiered center console storage, even accessories that we can envision, the customers can envision in the doors, also accessory rails on the top of the instrument panel. It was all about creating a really holistic interior that gave function first, but really packaged it up in a great aesthetic. This is the first time for Jeep that we're going to have a large 14.5-inch screen in the center radio area. A nice, simple, easy to read screen. It's got FALD, which is our full array local dimming, so strong graphics, especially with the skytop slider that you have. Natural light is going to be coming into this interior, and we wanted to make sure there was a screen bright enough to push past the sun. You're going to see your traditional elements above, navigation, vehicle controls, but below that, on the screen all time is going to be HVAC controls. Nice, easy to touch controls in terms of heated seats, ventilated optional seats, heated steering wheel, also rest of the other cabin controls are all right there. We decided to go digital with those controls because we really wanted to maximize the physical controls for Jeep, like our electronic lockers, our ADAS controls. And so you're going to find a nice balance of some digital controls for things like HVAC and physical controls like our Jeep off-roading capability.
The Jeep Recon will start production early next year, with initial launches in the United States and Canada, with global expansion to follow.